The Delhi-bound Swan Shatabdi Express running from Kanpur to New Delhi experienced a security incident while passing through Firozabad district in UP when unidentified persons allegedly pelted stones at the moving train, causing damage to a window pane of an air-conditioned coach. Notably, the incident occurred when the train was traveling at a high speed after crossing a station and entering the Firozabad stretch, an area where similar incidents have been reported in the past. A stone struck the E1 coach of train number 12003 Swarna Shatabdi Express, breaking the outer window glass of the first AC compartment. The impact caused panic for a brief moment among passengers nearby, though the situation was quickly brought under control as railway staff and security personnel assessed the damage. Among those travelling in the same coach was Mohan Bhagwat, who was seated away from the affected window. Officials later confirmed that he remained completely safe and unharmed throughout the incident. No injuries were reported among any passengers on board, and the damage was limited to the shattered outer glass pane of the coach. And as soon as the incident was reported, the train was brought to a controlled halt at the outer signal of the Tundla junction in Firozabad district. Railway authorities, along with the personnel from the Government Railway Police and the Railway Protection Force, reached the location promptly in order to inspect the coach and ensure there was no further risk to the passengers. And after a brief stoppage and necessary safety checks, the train resumed its journey towards Delhi within a short period. Preliminary reports from the Government Railway Police officials indicated that the incident took place around 7:15 to 7:20 p.m. in the jurisdictional area between Rasulpur and Dakshin police stations. Officials stated that the stone was allegedly thrown from outside the railway track, striking the moving train as it passed through the stretch. The exact point of the origin of the attack is being investigated. Senior police officers from the Agra zone, including the top officials from the Railway Police and local administration, visited the site soon after receiving the information. A coordinated search operation was launched in the surrounding area in order to identify the individuals responsible. Authorities also began reviewing CCTV footage from nearby villages, railway crossings, and possible vantage points along the track. Investigators also confirmed that one individual has been detained for questioning in connection with the incident. However, police emphasized that the investigation is still in its early stages and further action will depend on the evidence collected through surveillance footage and field inquiry. Additional teams, including special operations and surveillance units, have been deployed in order to assist in the probe. Officials have stated that a formal case is being registered and that efforts are underway in order to determine whether the act was carried out by a single individual or involved a group. Security agencies are also examining previous cases of stone pelting reported in the Firozabad railway section, which has been identified as a vulnerable stretch due to the repeated such incidents in the past. And despite the brief disruption, railway authorities have confirmed that the train continued its journey to Delhi without further incident. The focus of the investigation remains on identifying all those responsible and strengthening security measures along the route in order to prevent recurrence of such attacks on the passing trains.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि स्वर्ण शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस लगभग 7:15 बजे के आसपास क्रॉस कर रही थी, जिसमें माननीय मोहन भागवत जी जा रहे थे और उसी में किसी ने एक पत्थर मारा है, जिसमें फर्स्ट एसी की एक शीशा टूटी है। एसपी ने अभी बताया है कि जो है इसकी जांच की जा रही है और किस लड़के ने या किस व्यक्ति ने इसमें पत्थर चलाया है उसकी पहचान की जा रही है और उम्मीद है कि शीघ्र वो पकड़ा जाएगा।
सर, क्या कोई घायल है इसमें? मोहन भागवत जी सफर कर रहे थे?
नहीं, कोई घायल नहीं है। आउटर शीशा, जितनी जानकारी हुई है अभी, आउटर एसी कोचेज में 2 शीशे होते हैं, तो आउटर शीशा क्रैक किया है और वो टूटा है।
सर, ये वैसे तो पथराव होता रहता है, लेकिन आज कोई वीवीआईपी सफर कर रहा था, तो हम कंफर्मेशन चाहते हैं कि आपकी जानकारी है कि इसमें मोहन भागवत जी सफर कर रहे थे क्या?
नहीं, ऐसा है कि जो जानकारी हुई है कि इसमें ट्रैवल कर रहे थे और जो है जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, एक पत्थर किसी ने मारा है, उसके बाद जानकारी।
That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.